Today is 4th of November. This is our new design nozzle or burner. It has Hamas Plahol 20 holes here. So we're hitting this chamber now, and then that's the blower. This chamber is an order by a lecturer at UPNG. They want 4-inch. So we make sure that all the stove that we release has to be quality tested first. So this is now the chamber that we're doing the test flame. Try and see. Try on the blower now. So we're now owning the blower. So there. So the pressure is now coming in. You won't see the yellow now because it's blue. You can see this one, it's color at night. So you won't see that one, it's already blue. See that one? So when you off that blower, you can see the original color of the flame. Off it again. So when you off the blower, you won't see the... So when you off the blower, it goes to its original color, yellow. There. So when you on it again, try to on it again. So it's powerful. So try putting man toilet roll, putting man top. Diba? The heat there. See that maclo area? Look at it's pointing at that. That's the oil distractor. So and I disturb him this the oil by tanim. That's the like a what I mean? Will sa tanim oil yan. Look at that oil. That's the mark of that oil distractor. That's the power. I like this one. We will follow this design now.